Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Cat by Nagendra. So in this video, we are going to create this complex part in SolidWorks. So let me enter into here, new part, and let's say OK. Now to design this part, we are having here top view, and if you are making cut section with reference to horizontal direction exactly at the center, we are going to create or we are going to get this shape. And if you are going to create cut section with reference to vertical direction exactly at center, we are going to get this shape. Now first we'll start here with base. Base we are having one circle which is having diameter of 142, and it should be make extruded boss of only this 18 mm. Just we'll create one circle here. On the top plane we'll go for sketch. We need one circle with a diameter of 142. Let me create with reference to exactly center point here. Dimension for this we are having diameter of 142. Exit sketch, isometric. We need to make this extrude boss of this 18 mm. Let's give this 18 here. Let's say OK. Then next to that, if you are seeing from top, we are having this shape. So this shape material total it should be exactly this extruded of 41. Already we have created extruded boss of 18. So this with this shape we need to add material with 41 minus 18 dimension. Now let's create that. On the top plane we'll go for sketch, make it normal. So we are having here one circle with a diameter of this 95 circle. Let's create one circle here. Dimension for this we are having diameter of 95. Then outer circle we want, so instead of creating again, just we can go for convert entitles. By selecting this we can convert into sketch. Then one horizontal line we want. Let me create one horizontal line like this. Then by using trim we can trim this unwanted elements like this. Same line we need downside also, and same two we need this side also. So to make it mirror, just I will create one horizontal for construction with infinite length, one line here. Same like that one vertical line also with reference to horizon here. Then I need to make mirror with this with reference to this. Let's say OK. Again I need to make mirror these two with reference to this vertical line. Let's say OK. Then by using dimension, we are having here gap of 30. Let's give dimension between these two we need here 30. Then by using trim entitles, we will trim these unwanted elements which we don't want. So we need to add material only with this shape. This outer circles we will trim now. Just we will remove this. Then to make it single closed profile, we will remove this inside edges also. OK. Exit sketch, isometric, that we will make here extruded boss of total we need here 41. So we need to make 41 minus 18 as already we have created base. So 41 minus 18, let's say OK, like this. Then next to that, if you are seeing from top, we are having this shape. So with that shape, total height of this material we are having 78. So same here also, we have created already 41. 78 minus 41, we need to add material with this shape. Now again to add that, so as you can see, exactly at center we are having one circle of 62. On the top plane we'll go for sketch. Make sure that these horizontal lines are horizontal. This shape should be in vertical motion. So let me create one circle here with a diameter of 62. One more small circle here with radius of 11 with a distance of 70. So let me create one inclined line or one circle we can create. Later we can apply relations. So let me create one inclined line somewhere from here. Go forward, come backward. We'll create one curve here like this. Then relation between these two we need here tangency. Relation between these two here we need tangency. This point to this point we need here vertical relation. Dimension for outer circle we are having here radius of 11 like this. Then dimension from this center point to center point we are having 70. Just I will give here half dimension as 35 like this. Same thing we need downside. To make mirror we need one horizontal construction with infinite length, one line like this. Then just we'll go for mirror entitles. We need to make mirror this 3 with reference to this horizontal axis. Let's say okay. Then by using trim entitles, we will trim these unwanted elements to make it a single closed profile here just by removing all these unwanted elements. As you can see, still here it is showing in blue. Just if we try to move, relation is missing here. We can make it here tangency. Same this side also I'll try to move and I'll apply tangency relation like this. Then as you can see, we got fully defined sketch. Exit sketch, make it isometric. We need to make this extrude boss. So total height we are having 78. In that already we did 41. So we'll make 78 minus 41. 78 minus 41. Let's say okay. Like this we will get this shape. Then next to that, as you can see, if we make cut section exactly here, we need this shape. So with this shape, directly we can go for half section creation of sketch and we can make it here revolve cut in a simple way. For that, I'll go for sketch on this front plane. Why? Because we need to remove material exactly at center. Make it normal. On this front plane, just we need to create this half section here. Let me create this half section. I'll start from here. Horizontal, vertical, again this step. So line I want somewhere from here exactly at center. We need one horizontal line, one vertical line, then one more horizontal little like this, then one more vertical line, then one more horizontal line, then one inclined line, again horizontal line, again vertical line. Just we can close up to here like this. Then we'll go for dimension. First step we are having here diameter of 46. So as we have created only half section, we need to make 46 by 2 only half dimension. Next to that we are having diameter of 30. So this to this we need diameter of 30. We will give dimension of 15. This height we need 37. This height we need 37. Then for this inclined part, we are having height of 14 and this is 18. So this we need here 18. And for inclined part, vertically we are having here 14. Then this end point to this end point we are having 50. So just I'll select this line to this point we are having here dimension of 50 by 2. We need to give 25. For outer one we are having diameter of 62. Exactly for this line we are having 62 by 2 will get 31. Then inclination for this line we are having 15 degrees. So angle between these two we are having here 15 degrees like this. So properly we will create this sketch. As you can see, we got fully defined sketch. So if we are having any fillets here, we can apply here itself. So here fillet we are having radius of 4 mm. Why? Because later we can't apply fillet, it will be inside. Again it will be very complex to select that. So now itself we will apply this fillet exactly here with radius of 4 mm. Let me give radius of 4 between this to this. Let's say okay. Then next we can go here with exit sketch. Make it isometric. We need to remove material here with rotation. We can go for revolve cut. with reference to this central axis here, and let's say OK. So properly that material will be removed with rotation. Then all addition of material done, all this removal of material done, then directly we can go here with any fillets if anything is there. As you can see, fillets we are having for this edges with radius of 8 mm exactly here. So let me apply fillet for those edges. We need fillet exactly here, this edges. By selecting that, so we will check whether we are able to select edges. It is not possible to select whatever we wanted, so manually we will select here. We need here radius of 8, let's say, okay, like this. Then next to that, we have completed all here dress up features, nothing but fillets, and we don't have any chamfers here. Directly we can go for holes. So first I'll start here with these two holes. Exactly center point of this radius 11, we are having here two holes with a diameter of 10 with a depth of 15. Here we need sharp edge downside, so we are having V bottom here. Now just we'll go for hole wizard. We need legacy hole. Whenever we want V bottom, we need to use here drilled holes. We need here simple drilled hole, we will get V bottom. Diameter we need 10, depth of 15. So diameter we need here 10, depth we need 15. We are not able to change because end condition already it is up to next. Keep it here blind. Depth we need only 15. Then position on this face exactly center point of this. We need one hole here. Let me make it normal. For this curvature exactly at center we want. Same here also we need exactly center point of this curvature. Here we got fully defined sketch. Let's say OK. Next we'll create this counter bore holes. As you can see, counter bore diameter we are having 18, counter bore depth is 11, then normal hole diameter we are having 11, depth should be through all. So like that total we are having here 6 holes. That circular hole position should be exactly on this PCD diameter of 118. Hole wizard, we need here counter bore. Counter bore diameter we are having here 18 and counter bore depth we are having 11. Normal hole diameter is 11. Then just I will make it here blind and we will make it here just some depth of 20 like that. And go for position. We need to create hole on this face somewhere here. Use escape to create only one hole. Make it normal. That whole position should be exactly on this vertical axis with this PCD diameter of 118. Let's create one circle here for construction purpose. Dimension for this circle we are having here 118. Then add relation between point to this circle. We need here coincident, it should be on this circle. Then origin point to center point of the hole, we'll make it here vertical to make it straight. Let's say OK, like this. Then same this hole, total we are having here 6 in circular direction. So directly we can go for circular pattern with reference to this circle. Total we need 6 within 360 degrees. Let's say OK. Properly this 6 counter bore holes will be created here. Then next to that, as you can see, these side holes are there. So directly we can't create holes on this curved surface. So we need proper reference. For that reference, I will create one plane. Outer circle diameter already we know 142. So we'll make with a distance of 142 by 2. So just I'll open tree display with reference to this right plane. Flip offset. I'll create this direction. We need here 142 by 2 and let's say now we can create hole exactly with reference to this plane. We'll get straight holes. We are having here counter bore hole with V bottom. So here we can go here with counterbore drilled. We will select counterbore drilled. Counterbore diameter 20, depth of 4. Counterbore diameter 20, counterbore depth of 4. We need here counterbore depth of 4. Normal hole diameter we are having here thread. So if we convert G 1 by 4, so we will get 13.68 something. So directly we can select here diameter as 13.6 I'll take. Then depth should be here from starting to this end we are having depth of 32. So this depth we need here 32. Then go for position with reference to our support of this plane somewhere here. So we need here in reverse direction. Let me select this plane. Escape. Make it normal. Again make it normal to make it reverse. We need relation between this point to origin point. We need here vertical relation. Then to make this proper position, we are having height of 18 from base. So by using smart dimension, this point to base, we are having here height of 18 like this. Let's say okay. Like this. From side one counterbore drilled hole will be created. Then next to that, same here one more hole is there with a diameter of 5, depth up to next with the same position. So again I'll go for hole. We need here simple hole with a diameter of 5. Depth I will keep it here through all on this plane. Just I'll select here position from this plane. Somewhere here I'll select escape. Make it normal. Make it normal. Relation between this point to this existing circle, we will make it here concentric. Hole will be created exactly at center. So here depth should be only up to next. Up to next, that hole will be created like this. Then same total these two holes we need this side. Along with that, one more hole is there here with a diameter of 5. Depth should be up to next. Again we'll go for one more hole. Diameter of 5, depth up to next. Position we need from this top face exactly here. So here we'll create one hole. Make it normal. Now this whole position we need to check where we need exactly that. So total diameter we are having 92. Let me give dimension from this to this. We need 92 by 2. Then relation between this point to this point we need here horizontal relation. Let's say now all these three holes we will make it mirror with reference to this center plane. So we need this. Again by holding control, all three holes we will select. We will make mirror with reference to this right plane. Let's say okay. And this plane mouse right click, we can hide this. Properly all holes will be created exactly at the given positions. Now if you want to check, let me keep it top view by using Ctrl+5 like this. We can see the shape. Then let me make it Ctrl+7 and we will make here cut section with reference to this front. Let's say okay, and I'll make it Ctrl+1 front view. We can check this entire shape. So everything we got perfect. Then again by using Ctrl+4, I'll keep it here right side view, and we need here cut section with reference to right plane. Let's say okay, and we can check the shape how we want, same like that we got here. So in this way we are able to create this complex design in SolidWorks. So I hope you have understood this. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting. If any doubts you have regarding this, please let me know in comment box. And if you feel this video is informative, so please like the video and share to your friends. And if you want to give any suggestions for me to improve this part modeling or the way of teaching, please let me know in comment box. Thank you so much.